Hello everyone, my name's Tom and I'm here today to talk to you about how you can get on course with Southport College. The first thing that I want to point out is the different options that you have available to you after you finish school. So you can choose to study A-levels, or you can choose to study a BTEC course. There's also a third option where you can choose to study an apprenticeship and be trained by a business. The next question that people normally ask me is what is the difference between A-levels and BTECs? Well, as most people already know, within an A-level study programme, you have 3 different options to choose from, and within each of these you will learn the theory of that subject. However, within a BTEC course, you only choose one subject area. But within this course, not only will you learn the theory, but you will also learn how to put that theory into practice, and to develop the practical skills that are necessary for employment. The third aspect of this course gives you an opportunity to gain work experience through work placements, and this is another key advantage over A-levels. Finally, and probably one of the most misunderstood aspects of choosing a BTEC course, is that they are the same level of qualification as A-levels. This means that they are both a route to university. In fact, in some cases, universities are starting to prefer that you have studied a vocational course because they have recognised how far ahead our students are compared to those who take A-levels. So that is a little bit about the general difference between the options you have. But what is a vocational qualification? Well, a BTEC vocational qualification is where you only study one course, but this means that you are able to become a specialist within that area. The courses are also industry-led, which means that as the industry develops, so does our course. This also means that once you have completed your qualification, you will be prepared to go straight into employment. Finally, and as I have already said, but it is worth reiterating, these qualifications are the equivalent to A-levels, which means that you are still able to accrue the necessary number of UCAS points you need to progress to university. So what are the advantages of choosing to study a vocational qualification? Well, there are a number of reasons, but perhaps the first one for most people is that the courses are taught using practical lessons. So if you are someone who prefers to learn by doing and getting hands-on rather than sitting behind a desk all day, then this is a great reason for choosing a vocational course. The second reason why is because as part of your course, you will go out on work placements to gain vital work experience within the industry. This is a brilliant advantage because the first thing that any employer looks at on a CV is whether or not the applicant has any work experience. Having the industry work experience that these courses will give you will definitely enable you to stand out when applying for jobs. Finally, the courses are predominantly assessed via coursework, which means that there are far less exams to take. Another great reason if you are somebody who doesn't like the pressure of exams. Okay, so that is a little bit about the opportunities and benefits of choosing to study a vocational course. But why should you choose Southport College specifically? Well, the first reason is because of the large range of courses that we offer. We have everything from art and design to travel and tourism to forensic science to hospitality and catering. We also offer lots of different trades, including bricklaying, electrical installation, gas and plumbing, and motor vehicle engineering. The second reason for why you should choose Southport College is because there is a suitable level for everyone. The Level 3 extended diplomas that we offer are equivalent to 3 A-levels. And if you achieve 5 GCSEs at grade 9 to 4, then you can go straight on to this level. However, if you don't manage to achieve these grades, then all you need to do is start on a lower level and then work your way up. Because no matter which level you start at, our aim at Southport College is to help you climb all the way to the top. Another brilliant reason for choosing Southport College is because of our fantastic facilities, which are realistic working environments. All of our facilities are industry standard, so that the skills you develop with us, you can take straight into employment. One of the things that people often say to me on tours of the college is that they feel like they are walking into different industries each time we go into a different department. And that's what I want to give you a glimpse of now. To start with, here are some of our practical workshops in engineering and bricklaying, and also in electrical installation and plumbing. But we also have some fantastic media studios kitted out with green screens and all the latest technical equipment. Here we have our hair and beauty salons, where paying members of the public come in and our students have the opportunity to practice their skills. Perhaps you want to become a chef one day, then you will love our professional kitchens. Or maybe you want to become a midwife or a nurse, then our mock hospital ward is the perfect environment to practice and develop your technical skills. We also have some brilliant forensic science labs for anyone that would like to discover the hidden details in criminal activities. Or finally, perhaps my favourite facility is the children's nursery that we have in our childcare department. Having recently undergone a £1.6 million refurbishment, this facility is now one of the best in the Northwest. Okay, so after that quick tour of just some of our facilities, another reason for you to choose Southport College is because of our specialist tutors. Each of them have extensive work experience within their relevant fields, and this means that they are able to pass on all of their industry knowledge and skills to you. Yet another reason is because of our wonderful student support team. This is the lovely Vicky, and between herself and the rest of the team, they are always able to help and support you in whatever ways that you need. The final reason for why you should choose Southport College is because we don't believe that travel costs should stop you from getting the education you desire. This is why we provide anyone who lives more than 3 miles away from the college with a free travel pass. So whether you come by train or by bus, you won't be the one paying for it. The next thing I want to do is give you more of an insight into some of the courses that we offer, so that you can begin to realise what life as a student here at Southport College is really like. The first is Construction, Surveying and Architecture, or simply CSA. And this is because people trained in architecture and surveying are some of the most sought after in the Liverpool City region, because it has been recognised that there is a skills shortage in this area. Within this course, you will of course be trained on all the industry standard tools and equipment, but also because we have strong links with local councils, you will also have the opportunity to work on live projects. Some of the modules that you will study include civil engineering, project management and sustainable construction, but you will also learn about the practical skills for computer-aided design. After completing this course, you will be able to go on to a number of different careers, including architecture or civil engineering, as well as becoming a quantity surveyor or a project manager. This course also enables you to progress onto university, and that's exactly what Jeremy did after achieving triple distinction star. He is now studying architecture, engineering and design management at Loughborough University. The other course that I want to have a little bit more of a look at is our health and social care course, and this is because the UK has an ageing population and an increasing birth rate, which means that the health and social care skills that you will learn on this course will be in demand for some time to come. One of the brilliant reasons for choosing this course is because the department has close links with the local hospitals, who provide our students with the opportunity to gain work experience within the NHS. And as I have already mentioned, the department also has a mock hospital ward with a simulation unit where you can gain experience and practice the necessary skills. Within this course, you will study the impact of diet and nutrition, as well as anatomy and physiology, but it also includes learning about supporting people with additional needs and mental health issues. After the course, you can go on to a number of different careers, including becoming a care assistant or a nurse, but you can also become an occupational therapist or a midwife, or even a psychologist. Like Jeremy, Here Anna achieved Triple Distinction Star and is now studying midwifery at Liverpool John Moores University. In fact, during the COVID-19 pandemic, Anna has been working at Ormskirk Hospital as a premature midwife to help cover sickness absence and the busy workloads. She is a great example of what you are able to achieve at Southport College, and we are very proud of what she has gone on to accomplish. To conclude this presentation, our new principal Michelle captures everything that we are about in this short message. She says, "At Southport College, our aim is to prepare you for your chosen careers, and we achieve this through excellent teaching in a first-class learning environment." The final thing for me to say is, as you consider your options and your future, my advice to you is to do what you enjoy. And that's because the more you enjoy something, the more effort you will put in. And the more effort you put into something, the better results you will get. But actually, and more importantly, at the end of the day, you will be enjoying yourself. I hope you have found this presentation useful, and if you want to find out more about our college and the courses that we offer, then can I please encourage you to check out our virtual open event, which will be going live on Tuesday the 20th of October. You can pre-book your online tour pass today, and you can do so via our website. This is a wonderful opportunity to experience the college, and one that you won't want to miss out on. The final thing for me to say is that if you have any questions, please do pass these on to your form tutor, and I will be happy to answer them. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Take care, and bye for now.